If Mozilla Firefox is giving you trouble, one of the quickest fixes is making sure you're fully updated. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the update Mozilla Firefox bug step by step, and I'll also show you how to turn on automatic updates so you stay protected in the future. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. Look up at the top right corner of the browser and click the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu. From here, move down and click Help. In the Help menu, select About Firefox. A window called About Mozilla Firefox will open. This is the easiest place to check whether Firefox has an update available. As soon as this window opens, Firefox will automatically look for bug fixes, patches, and version updates. If there is an update available, you'll see it begin downloading right away. In many cases, this is enough to fix the issue because the bug is caused by an older version of the browser. Now wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may only take a moment. Once the update has been downloaded completely, you'll see a button that says Restart to update Firefox. Click that button to finish installing the update. Firefox will close briefly and restart itself with the latest version applied. After that, the bug should be resolved, and you should be running the newest stable version of the browser. If the problem was related to a known software issue, this usually fixes it immediately. Now let's go one step further and make sure Firefox stays updated automatically, so you don't run into the same bug again. Click the menu icon once more, then choose Settings. In the Settings page, look for the section related to Firefox updates. You can also use the About Firefox area again to confirm your update settings. Choose Automatically Install Updates. Recommended. This setting tells Firefox to handle future updates for you without needing to check manually every time. Turning this on is a smart move because security patches and bug fixes are released regularly, and automatic updates help keep your browser stable and safe. If you ever notice Firefox acting strangely again, you can repeat the same process. Open the menu, go to Help, click About Firefox, let it check for updates, and restart when prompted. It's a simple fix, but it solves a lot of common browser problems. So to recap, if you want to fix the update, Mozilla Firefox bug, open the menu, go to Help, select About Firefox, let Firefox check and download any available patch, then click Restart to update Firefox. After that, go into Settings and choose Automatically Install Updates Recommended so the browser stays current. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.